Hello and welcome to the first episode of Learning Arabic with MrArabi. In this episode, we're going to talk about greetings in Arabic language. So let's start it. الوحدة الأولى التحية والتعارف. الوحدة means chapter. الأولى, the first. The first chapter. الوحدة الأولى. التحية والتعارف. Do you know the meaning of التحية والتعارف? التحية means greeting and التعارف means to know each other. We have another word too. التحيات, which is the plural form of التحية, and it means greetings. So in this episode, as I told you, we're going to talk about greetings in Arabic language. So we'll have a conversation very soon. And this is our conversation. التحية والتعارف الوحدة الأولى الدرس الأول, the first lesson. العرض. العرض means the play. الحوار الأول, the first conversation. انظر واستمع وأعد. Look and listen and repeat. We have the pictures here too. انظر واستمع وأعد. The conversation is between Khalid and Khalil. So I will read it for you and then I'll explain it for you. السلام عليكم. وعليكم السلام. اسمي خالد. ما اسمك؟ اسمي خليل. كيف حالك؟ بخير والحمد لله. وكيف حالك أنت؟ بخير والحمد لله. So this was our conversation. The conversation was between Khalid and Khalil, as I told you. First we had Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum is a formal way to say hello in Arabic language. We have another words too. For example, you could say Ahlan wa sahlan. Ahlan wa sahlan. Ahlan wa sahlan means hello too, and it can mean welcome as well. So the first one, Assalamu alaikum. The second one, Ahlan wa sahlan. And we have another one too. You can say Ahlan, Ahlan. And the fourth one, Marhaban, Marhaban. These are all in modern standard Arabic. You can use all of them in العربية الفصحى. And in some dialects, for example, in Iraq, you might hear Salamu alaikum, Salamu alaikum. Instead of saying Assalamu alaikum, you might hear Salamu alaikum, Salamu alaikum. No difference. And instead of saying, for example, Ahlan, they say Hala, Hala, Hala bikum. You might hear these words too. Or in some countries, you might hear Hala wa ghala. Hala wa ghala means Ahlan ya ghali. Ghali means precious, dear. Hello, dear. Hala wa ghala. Ahlan ya ghali. No difference. You can use all of them. So the first one, Assalamu alaikum. The second one, Ahlan wa sahlan. The third one, Ahlan. And the fourth one, Marhaban. In some countries, they say Marhaba. It's easier, isn't it? Instead of saying Marhaban, they say Marhaba. No difference. So, Assalamu alaikum. And Khalil says, Wa alaikum assalam. So the first one says, Assalamu alaikum. And the second one exchange the words. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. You can change the words. You can change the places. Assalamu alaikum. Wa alaikum assalam. So then Khalid wants to introduce himself and he says, Ismi Khalid. Ismi Khalid. My name is Khalid. Ism means name. Ismi, my name. Ismi, my name. My name is Khalid. Ismi Khalid. Now he wants to ask Khalil's name and he says, Masmuka. Masmuka. Ismuka, your name. Masmuka, what is your name? ما اسمك. Khalil says اسمي خليل. اسمي خليل. My name is Khalil. Instead of saying ما اسمك, if you want to be a little bit more polite, you can say ما اسمك الكريم. ما اسمك الكريم. This one is a little bit more polite and a little bit more beautiful. It's a better sentence, in my opinion, you can use. And then Khalid says كيف حالك. كيف حالك, which means how are you. كيف حالك. You can use another sentences too. For example, you can say كيف صحتك. كيف صحتك. No difference. كيف حالك. كيف صحتك. Or you can say كيف الأحوال. كيف الأحوال. الأحوال is the plural form for حال. كيف الأحوال. And Khalil says بخير والحمد لله. بخير والحمد لله. بخير. Good. والحمد لله. Thanks God. He could say everything is good, everything is alright. So he can say كل شيء بخير. كل شيء بخير. كل شيء على ما يرام. Or he could say كل شيء تمام. I mean, you can use all of them, and all of them means everything is alright, everything is okay. Walhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Thanks God. And then he says وكيف حالك أنت. أنت means you. He could just say وكيف حالك. He wants to emphasize on you, أنت, and he says وكيف حالك أنت, and how are you? Because you asked me, now I'm asking about you. وكيف حالك أنت, and how are you? And Khalid says بخير والحمد لله. Good, thanks God. Okay, maybe some of you want to know if we want to say great or excellent, how do we use that? Instead of بخير, you can use ممتاز. ممتاز means excellent, great. Or maybe you want to say I'm not good. Don't use it, but anyway, it means لست بخير. لست بخير. Not good. لست بخير. The second conversation is between خولة وخديجة. They're telling and they're saying the same thing, but this time it is between two women. So الحوار الأول باء انظر واستمع وأعد. Look and listen and repeat. خولة السلام عليكم. خديجة وعليكم السلام. اسمي خولة. ما اسمك؟ اسمي خديجة. كيف حالك؟ بخير والحمد لله. وكيف حالك أنت؟ بخير والحمد لله. So can you tell me the differences between the first conversation and the second one? Here's the differences. For example, ما اسمك. اسمك means your name, but this time it is about a female. In English, we say your name. No differences between men and women, but in Arabic, there is a difference. For example, we say اسمك, we're talking about a man. When we say اسمك, your name, but it's a female. The first one was a male. This one is a female. ما اسمك, what is your name? We're talking about a woman. And we had كيف حالك, how are you? We're talking about a woman. And here we had وكيف حالك أنت. أنت means you. You in English can used for men and women, both of them. But in Arabic, we can just use it for women. أنت, you. You for men. But أنت, you for women. This is the differences between the first conversation and the second one. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. and like the video. Goodbye and مع السلامة.